Hey, good morning, bright and early, day 2, sick week. I decided just to get up and come get this thing supercharged. I'm a little paranoid that they're gonna maybe watch the videos and ban me, but anyways, they didn't. They're not. I'm here at a supercharger down the street from where we stayed last night, and it's charging fantastically. So 241 miles an hour, says 45 minutes. Yesterday was fantastic as well. We didn't burn as much battery as I thought we would. So we were getting really bad mileage this last trip. And it may be a combination of the tires and obviously the no regen, as well as just not driving in chill mode. I drove in chill mode yesterday the entire time, and I think it was like 150 miles. And we only burned like half of our fuel, burned half of the electricity off. So we were at 50% when we got here, and that sounds about right. So I think we would have done a little bit better if we had, regen, maybe 50 more miles range or so. So that was fantastic. I'm really excited about that I can hang with this crew that I always ride with and not be handicapped by the having to go out and charge. So luckily I woke up early this morning, got good sleep last night, and just decided to top this thing off so we're ready for the day. Unfortunately, there's no racing today. There's so much rain coming in Orlando. I think we're gonna go go-kart racing at least as a group. That'll be a lot of fun, and that'll be fun to watch along. But other than that, we're just gonna go right up to Gainesville after and get ready for day 3 of 6 week, and I think the weather looks pretty good up there. So that's the plan for now, and we'll check in later.
100 grams.
All right, so we're all together now. We just showed up to Andretti's kart racing. We have no racing today. It's raining. So we thought we'd make the best of the day. We're all super competitive. And the goal today for me is just beat Garrett. Like, I just want to beat him. Just ruin his whole day. Just crap in his Sunday. We're just gonna have fun today, and then we gotta drive the normal route, get back on the route, and then head up around to Gainesville and race there tomorrow morning. We don't know where we're staying. We're just kind of fly by night and figure it out. So now that we're all here, we're gonna go and do some kart racing.
You look so Spanish. They know Spanish words.
Make sure you get some good content here. Well, didn't see that coming.
Yeah, it's going down. All my stuff, Dad.
You press down. I didn't get lapped. That's my biggest goal. Don't get lapped. Did I look all right driving? I mean, you hit the wall pretty good. But did I look all right? I mean, for hitting the wall, you did a really good job. He's more of a wall-to-wall racer.
I got in trouble for blocking?
They kept giving you the blocking thing because I would literally. I was pushing you, right? And then I would back up.
That's how much slower mine was!
I would give us a bunch of room and then be right on you again. Oh, I felt that. Oh! You got pooted.
Third place doesn't do it for me.
I beat James at least!
Yeah, because you wouldn't let me buy you.
Okay. Sorry, I didn't have a hot ride. I can't wait to see how well the tape, your gaff tape works. The whole back is like full of water, and it's all me. It's from this shoddy goo job. Yeah, there's drips in there. Good as gold. Okay, guys, so we're all done at Andretti's go-kart place. He was very nice, and that was a cool discount. That was really nice of him through Garrett. I like those perks with Garrett. But that was a lot of fun. The only downside is like the carts are like regulated, so like they don't let you get full power, and it's kind of every part of the track. And then every so often, Zach behind you gets full power out of nowhere and smashes you in the wall. My neck hurts. And then apparently Robert likes to just drive straight into walls. But the best part though is that Robert wasn't last. He beat Nate. He beat Dr. Tunamall. So the rest of the week we need to say like, hey, just get back to tuning. Just, I don't know what you're doing without your laptop. Right now we gotta get back on course, so we have to go back to the track and then we'll start our real route today. So that's where we're heading right now. I got 86% battery. Okay, seems to be eating it a little quicker today, but we'll find out. We're in quite a rainstorm. Yeah, there's water pouring in through the back hatch because I sealed it up the Chet way. And other than that though, it should be interesting. We're gonna have to go really slow with these guys because they have like really drag radials that have no tread on them or anything, a lot of them. So let me see here. I gotta go over. I gotta follow Parker. And we're gonna be up in Gainesville probably the next 3 or 4 hours. Uh-oh. You can hear it. We're losing tape.
The floor plans are coming off.
It's so loud in there, there's zero sound deadening. None, it's just straight metal to the ground. So I feel like we're driving in a tin can. I got a draft actually on my back hip right now from it. Feels kind of nice. What package is that? Cheyenne, Super 10. Garrett called him in for an escort. Dang it, I don't have any money. What do you got?
Right here.
I don't know, that's not enough. I need a quarter. I don't have a quarter. There ain't nothing in here, what do you do? I don't know. Breaking the law, breaking the law, breaking the law. We tried. How do you supposed to have change? Who has change? Honestly. Or if you go through and just pay by plate. Just charge by plates. See, we're good. So loud actually, it's not that bad. You can barely hear it. You can't hear the road noise, can you? Everybody needs a Robert, you know? Keeps you on your toes.
I can get it down to that.
Would you have ever taken those yellow pieces off?
No.
All right, guys, so we just charged up at a supercharger, 99%. We're good to go. No shut offs mid charge, so that's nice. And now we are gonna go try to find a gas station to drive to apply some more tape. I spend my money on? It'll pay off someday. Oh, they're just helping out. That's nice. All right, guys. So we're finally up here in Gainesville. It's 9:30. We just topped this off. Actually had some good food. I guess the guys, I don't know, Ruby's they did weld something. I don't know what those guys do. So they're 20 miles away. We're gonna try to find a hotel though that has like a destination charger. I don't think we're gonna stay with Cleetus and those guys tonight. I don't know where they're at, but I just want to be topped off because we have a little bit of a drive into the track tomorrow, and I don't think we can charge out there. We're kind of out in the middle of nowhere. So that's the plan right now, is go find a decent hotel and get a good night's sleep. So see you tomorrow.